I'm horseback riding today. I don't want to fall off like Elizabeth Taylor.
I was gonna say drying off, but I'm about to get back in the water. Whoop. Ryan and I are going to get some food. We're hungry. Not paying attention to where I'm going. Okay. We're getting roti. Made it to the stable. It's all the way up. I'm gonna eat my fish roti. Very excited about this. This is so good. Dear God. I feel like Anthony Bourdain. This shit is fire. Been holding the reins.
We're at top building on the end of the mountain there. And that's the hospital. And then you see that curve come across there? With the water?
Yeah.
That's the Carnage. That's where we just passed.
Oh.
Yeah.
We were just down there.
Just down there.
That seems so far away.
Yeah. So you see where the strip in the water is? That's around there we bought the roti.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you keep coming over to the left, that little lagoon there, and you see some yachts parked there. That's Fort Louis. That's where we saw all the boats, and you asked me what's there.
Okay. Hi, Mom. That's a water lemon.
Then you pierce a hole right there with your finger.
Oh, it's got stuff inside.
Yeah,
like
just
that.
pierce that.
Okay.
And then you just suck it up. Suck it up.
In a magical jungle. I just had some water lemon, and it was literally the best thing I've ever had. Best fruit I've ever had. Water lemon. Where do they sell those? They don't. They're in the jungle. That's all. Nice view. We're just taking a little break.
You in tomorrow for that time.
She's nice. Yeah, so you can pet her. She's nice. Okay, sit. Yeah, you know to sit. Good baby. Oh, there's a... And you.
First, you have to sand these to get it nice and smooth, to get it rough, because when they in the raw stage, they smooth. See, that's a big one. You see how smooth it is? So if you don't rough this, it wouldn't take the paint.
Okay.
So you have to rough it, paint it, and then carve through it.
Wow.
Yeah. Spiritually, like this one is the drum. There's the spirit of the drum, you know. So people have it in different ways.
Wow, okay.
jumped in the water. It's so cold. I'll show you the falls.
We're at the Wild Orchid restaurant at Annandale Falls, and I just had an amazing seafood dinner. We didn't think that we were gonna have oil down, but the head bartender, actually his mom brought him some, and he literally has a to-go container, and he's like, you guys have to eat what my mom made because
real oil down.
it's authentico. It's not tourist trap oil down. So this is my plate right here. It's got dumplings, it's got meat, it's got, what else does it have? Chicken,
Breadfruit dumpling,
breadfruit.
chicken.
It's got everything. So this is my first bite. This is the dumpling. I co-sign on this. And they put, they drizzle the sauce on there. The sauce is hitting. Is this the breadfruit? All right, so let's do the breadfruit. We just want to, get our feet wet. We just got our feet wet at the waterfall, but now we're getting our feet wet in the food mix. Oh, delicious. Okay. And the only thing that I know is that it's not spicy. That's okay. We can get some hot sauce. Y'all know I carried it in my bag, but I didn't have it today. Okay, the chicken. Cooked to perfection. And then, I think this is the meat, which I usually skip. But for the interest of this video, we're going to try the meat.
So the traditional way to cook this is in like a big iron pot on a fire, so they'll set the fire up.
This is in a big old pot. That's what I'm hearing. I can confirm because I didn't witness it with my own two eyes.
We'll get your main man to talk about it.
But we're gonna check on this in just a minute. We're gonna reference the source.